you got this far, you would still have to watch your traffic drop off by 50% or more before they even reach the checkout. Now, this is all before I even mention the frustration of losing sales you know you should be getting, the confusion of managing multiple platforms, and the monthly fees adding into the hundreds of dollars, if not thousands. Capturing mobile traffic effectively literally becomes a full-time job, until now that is. Realistically, this wouldn't be possible to do manually. You'd go crazy, wasting months of your life and still lose half the sales to traffic and redirects due to slow pages. This then made me think though, what if I could create a software that builds mobile first, not desktop pages shrunk down, where every action happens on one single page with zero redirects, allowing visitors to opt in, watch videos, book appointments, buy products without ever leaving that one page. What if this tool could then replace all those 15 different softwares and platforms to save users hundreds of dollars every single month and eliminate the redirect death spiral that's killing conversions? What if it let you build complete mobile funnels in seconds, not hours, all without technical skills or complicated integrations? Like most of my products, many developers told me this could not be done, but I do not like taking no for an answer when it comes to my students' success. So after a very long 12 months of development, a lot of highs and lows, I am honored to share with you URLFAM live with you right now. Let's jump to my computer screen for a very quick demo before I tell you how I will double your money back if you do not get results from this. All right, guys, we have made it back here to the studio safe, and I want to get straight into this demo and really share with you how quickly you'll be able to start making your own funnels, your own sites, your own social media bio links, opt-in pages, everything for mobile traffic. Now, right before I do, I want to just make this crystal clear why this is so important, and probably the biggest piece of value you'll get out of anything I share with you here. Even if you don't pick up URLFAM, this is the most important thing to learn. Right now, 2 out of 3 users online, or 2 out of 3 people are going to websites via mobile devices. All traffic, 71% of people are using mobile devices, not desktop computers anymore, right? Massive. It also means over half of the online payments and purchases are done via mobile devices, right? The big one here to really think of, that desktop sites, they convert half as well. So 50% less than they do on mobile devices than they do for the desktop. And why is that? It's because for some reason, right now, since mobile's taken over, we have not changed how we build websites. 10 years ago, it was only 35% of users were on mobile devices, searching the internet and purchasing things and whatnot. Now it's 71%, right? It's over doubled. And we have not changed the way we're building websites, and it's destroying people's businesses. Literally 50 to 70% of all their traffic is leaving instantly because they're being shown websites that take way too long to load, that have too many redirects, that are too confusing to be viewed on a mobile, and that are built for the desktop first. This is killing people's businesses, and just by changing it to be mobile first and then optimized for computer second, it can literally triple your income instantly, because 70% of the sales that you're missing out on are now going to actually be served and actually have a good user experience. So that's what I wanted to share with you, and that's what URLFAM does. We build websites for the mobile first. So super simple. You come in, you can create a link, you'll get taken to a brand new page like this, where you can then go in and add start building your website. I can't make it any more simple than that. So I'll show you a few things here. We can go add. These are all the different elements that we can use. We're adding new ones all the time. You can see all the ones that you get below, but say I wanted to do a social media profile, all right? I might go profile. I'm just gonna add in elements first. It's fun. I'm gonna put in a headline. I'm gonna put in a paragraph. I'm gonna put in a YouTube video. Where are we? And I've got a link here that I can just paste in right now. Oh, it's away. I'm gonna grab a YouTube video link, paste that in. I'm then gonna add in a buy button, because again, I'm then going to also add in another paragraph. I'm also then going to also add in a opt-in form. Right. And I can continue to build this site out with so many elements. Now, some other key elements you can see here. You can add in links, you can add in audio, you can add in maps, you can add in custom code, which means you can live anywhere that you can get in an embed code. So think places from, say, SoundCloud, Spotify, to Loom videos, to anything that can embed, even video games, you can embed if you get the embed code. And you can even ask ChatGPT to create you a lot of different embed codes. We can also upload files. We can create QR codes where you can scan. Say I wanted to scan a QR code for Nike.com, right? Now, if I save this, where am I here? Yeah, that's going to actually then scan across to Nike or Nike, depending where you're coming from in the world, right? Now, you can also create internal pages and create an internal page here. Call this one saying secret inner page, right? And I might want to then have another opt-in, or I might just want to have a link. And I want this link. Then the bottom area, see where it says link, I could say access secret 10-step PDF. And I want it to link to this inner page. And now when they click that button, it'll link to that inner page where I can then go ahead and go through this process again. That's how simple it is. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a timer on the clock. I'm going to build out an entire social media bio link for myself. We're going to see how quickly I can do it. And I think you're going to be pretty blown away when you'll be able to see. I'm going to have a bio link that hopefully is going to let me sell my products right now, like ready to purchase, money in my bank right now, live. Opt-in, I can gather emails right now, share enough about me, and I can use it for myself in this one form. I can then clone it, tweak it to then be a website, tweak it to be an opt-in page, tweak it to be a membership, as much as I want to do, I can do. So let's go ahead, pause it here, and then I will finally show you some actual outcome, some finished products that you can do when you spend a little bit of time tweaking things around. Okay, let's pause this and let's start the timer. All right, so we've got 20 minutes on the clock here. We're about to go into the time lapse here. So you'll be able to see me in the corner. It's all connected. And let's see what we can get done pretty quick. Hopefully a lot quicker than this 20 minutes. Again, it'll probably look like 10 seconds to you, but we'll see how it goes. All right, let's get started. 3, 2, and 1. All right, so we finished that in about 16 minutes, and I decided to stop there just to show you what a rough playing around with things. Hey, we can get an entire page up, buy buttons active, opt-ins on a page, links to any key groups, demos, anywhere you want to send people, and have a page that actually shares your story. It can be engaging, and it can actually convert people directly in the feed. They don't need to go anywhere else. They can buy, you can accept money, you can accept emails, mobile numbers, you name it, you can do it. So you can see how I took a little snapshot of myself right before I did this. So got that, bomb video, opt in here. I can say test example 2 example. Now when I hit enter here, on another page inside of URLFAM, it'll say emails, and it'll say this specific page that I just created. It'll actually have this actual opt-in on the actual page there for me, where I'll be able to actually see the name and the person that's opted-in. Again, I can sync it directly to any autoresponder. We also connect with Go High Level as well, which is pretty insane. Look, links to my VIP group, animations happening. We got some of my videos.